Please come in.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Please have your seat. So, what's your name?
My name is Roly Kumari.
Your name is Roly Kumari. In which class do you read?
I read in LKG.
So, Roly, today I'm gonna ask you some questions about your syllabus. What you have read in your LKG syllabus. Got it? So, are you ready for this?
Yes, I'm ready.
Very good. Who was the first president of India?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India.
Who was the first prime minister of India?
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first prime minister of the India.
Very good. And tell me, who was the first vice president of India?
Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan.
And let me know, who was the first Indian who set foot on the moon?
Rajesh Sharma.
What did you say?
Rakesh Sharma.
Rakesh Sharma. Very good. And my next question is, who was the first Indian woman who set foot on the moon?
Kalpana Chawla is the first Indian woman who set foot on the moon.
Good. And next question is that, who was the first man who set foot on the moon in the world?
Neil Armstrong.
Good. And tell me, where was Neil Armstrong born?
America.
America. How many countries are there in the world?
196 countries.
Good. And how many planets are there in the solar system?
8.
Eight planets.
8 planets.
Please tell me the name of the planets.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Very good. Which is the largest planet in the solar system?
Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system.
Which is the second largest planet in the solar system?
Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system.
Very good. Which planet is called blue planet?
Earth.
Earth. Good. And which planet is known as red planet?
Mars.
Which is the smallest planet in the solar system?
Mercury.
Which planet is called morning star and evening star as well?
Venus.
Venus. Good. And now I'm going to ask you related science. Got it? And do you know about trees?
Yes, sir.
So please tell me, what are trees? The definition of trees, and give some example as well.
Big and tall plants. Big and tall plants are called trees. Example: mango, peepal, banyan.
Very good. And what is trunk?
The stem of a tree is called trunk.
Good. And what are shrubs?
The plants that have a thin and hard stem are called shrubs.
Example?
Cotton, henna, marigold, jasmine, etc.
Very good. And do you know which plant is called woody plant?
Shrubs plant is called woody plant.
Very good. And what are the herbs?
Soft, small and leafy plants are called herbs. Example: coriander, mint, tulsi, spinach, grass, etc.
What are the major parts of a plant?
Root, stem, branches, leaf, flowers, fruits.
And next question is that, which plants need trees or sticks for support?
Climber plant.
Good. And what does a plant need to grow?
Water, sunlight, carbon dioxide and mineral.
Very good. And what are creepers?
Some plants crawl along the ground are called creepers.
Very good. Tell me examples of creepers.
Example: pumpkin, watermelon, melon, pointed gourd, bottle gourd, etc.
Very good. So you have replied very well answer. So now, and I'm going to ask you related English. Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Okay, some sentences you have to reply in English. I'll ask you in Hindi and you have to reply in those sentences in English. Got it?
Yes.
So are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
First of all, I'm gonna ask you some verbs. You know, V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. There are 5 major forms of a verb. Got it? And now I'm going to ask you related verbs. So are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
So your first verb is that read.
Reading, reads.
Good, write.
Write, wrote, written, writing, writes.
Go.
Go, went, gone, going, goes.
Very good. Come.
Come, can, come, coming, comes.
Play.
Comes. Play, played, played, playing, played.
Run.
Run, ran, run, running, runs.
Start.
Start, started, started, starting, starts.
Stop.
Stop, 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 stopping, stops.
Sleep.
Sleep, slept, slept, sleeping, sleeps.
Break.
Break, broke, broken, breaking, breaks.
Help.
Help, 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 helping, helps.
Very good. And now I'm going to ask you some sentences. You have to reply in English. तुम क्या कर रही हो?
What are you doing?
मैं पढ़ रही हूँ.
I'm reading.
माँ खाना पका रही है.
Mom is cooking food.
तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Where are you going?
पापा लैपटॉप पर काम कर रहे हैं.
Papa is working on laptop.
निधि क्या कर रही है?
What is Nidhi doing?
सर क्या दे रहे हैं?
What is sir giving?
मैं याद कर लूंगी.
I'll remember.
तुम याद क्यों नहीं करती हो?
Why don't you remember?
तुमने याद क्यों नहीं किया?
Why didn't you remember?
तुम कहाँ थी?
Where were you?
तुम क्या कर रही थी?
What were you doing?
तुम घर पर क्या कर रही थी?
What were you doing at home?
मैंने याद किया था.
I had remembered.
मैंने याद किया था पर भूल गई.
I had remembered but I forget it.
वेरी गुड. तुम क्यों भूल गई?
Why did you forget?
तुम कैसे भूल गई?
How did you forget?
मैंने रिवाइज नहीं किया इसीलिए.
I didn't revise, that's why.
तुम्हें डेली रिवाइज करना है.
You have to revise daily.
तुम्हें प्रतिदिन पढ़ना चाहिए.
You should read daily.
पापा कहाँ से ले गए?
Where did Papa go?
पापा बाजार गए.
Papa went to market.
वह बाजार क्यों गए?
Why did he go to market?
सब्जियां और फल खरीदने के लिए.
To buy vegetables and fruits.
वह वापस कब आएंगे?
When will he come back?
तुम किसके साथ रहती हो?
With whom do you live?
मैं अपने माता पिता के साथ रहती हूँ.
I live with my parents.
भारत की राजधानी क्या है?
What is the capital of India?
नई दिल्ली भारत की राजधानी है.
New Delhi is the capital of India.
बिहार की राजधानी क्या है?
What is the capital of Bihar?
पटना बिहार की राजधानी है.
Patna is the capital of Bihar.
तुम सुंदर से क्यों नहीं लिखती हो?
Why don't you write neatly?
धीरे धीरे लिखो.
Write slowly.
क्या तुमने लिखा?
Did you write?
मैंने लिख लिया सर.
I wrote, sir.
तुमने क्या लिखा है?
What have you written?
मैंने कुछ नहीं लिखा सर.
I didn't write anything.
मैंने कुछ नहीं लिखा है.
I have not written anything.
तुमने क्यों नहीं लिखा?
Why didn't you write?
गुड.